Merry Christmas to everyone. As we gather with family and friends, let's take a moment to cherish the joy, love, and warmth this season brings. Whether you're celebrating with a festive feast, unwrapping thoughtful gifts, or simply enjoying quiet moments of reflection, may your holiday be filled with peace and happiness.
My wish today and every day is simple, that all my family and friends stay healthy. No amount of success or wealth can compare to the gift of good health. I want to see you all thriving, laughing, and living life to the fullest. So here's to more days of strength, wellness, and joy for
A very strong woman, at meron pong kasabihan, the strongest wings are those who fly alone. Ang ganda po, no? Mga pinakamalakas na pakpak, mga pinakamatayag lumipad ay yung mga mag-isa. When you are alone, God knows that you can do it. Bakit